Welcome, in front of me I have Motorola Moto E7 Power, and today I will show you fingerprint sensor test. In this smartphone you can find fingerprint on the back, and let's make a few tries. Let's see how it performs. So let's start. Okay, so as you can see, it works not that bad. It's of course not the fastest fingerprint sensor that you can find in the smartphone, but it's reliable. It works every time, so that's a good point of this sensor that you can find on the Motorola Moto E7 Power. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.